I'm Debbie Blow, and I'm one of the owners of the building. I am a retired school superintendent.
My wife and I have been together for over 42 years. I'm Keith Blow, co-owner of this building.
He has a passion for classic cars, and this is going to give him the ability to be able to work on those cars and not have to drive someplace to the shop. He's going to be right next door, and I can keep an eye on him.
We've built a lot of cars over the years. We bought this lot because we knew we needed a shop area to work on project cars. You know, 50s customs and stuff, so hot rods.
I was mostly a gopher and helped bring parts and pieces in, but I did help with putting up the siding, connecting it to the metal structure of the building. I helped with the painting and cleaning up afterwards, but we always do things as a team.
The parts that I worked on were pretty much the permitting process. The physical work, I coordinated with all the subcontractors. We were the prime contractor designated on the project. Really, the nice part about it is once the steel erection crew got here, they got the project up in a little less than a week. Yeah, once we got to that point, it moved quickly for the next 4 weeks or so. You have to match the material to your main structure, your home. It's a county and HOA requirement. Clark County kind of operates like California. They have a tremendous amount of rules and regulations, and after every item that gets completed, you have to have an inspection before you can move to the next item. So it's kind of a look-alike building.
I retired officially on July 1st, and from there things have moved pretty quickly. When I came in full-time here, the foundation was poured, but then I got to watch the steel structure go up, and as I said, we did the siding ourselves, put that up, and then the various vendors with the roof and the stucco siding and garage door and all of that. But actually, once we got here in July, things went pretty quickly.
Hey.